Go for page number 38. It's module. Read page number 38. And the questions are from section 1. Okay. Did you all get the answers? How many of you had tried out? Out of 20 students, how many? Because okay, so I've got 6 students who have tried out. What about the rest of them? 7. Very good. 10 students. Fine. But still, what about the rest of them? Very good, Shona. Very good, Shona. You tried it out. Very good. Yana also tried it. Very good. What about Adarshni, Aisha, Gauri, Naina, Pranshu, Shreyash? Shreyash, what about you? Why did you try it? Sona, did you try it out? You tried out questions? Vidhi, what about you? Udit? Okay, fine. Put your hands down, students. Doesn't matter, Naina. Doesn't matter. Today I'll be solving it. Don't worry. Okay. Naina, she had tried it out in that case. Okay. Now, students, anyone is having doubts in the first one? If it's
No,
yes,
sir.
let me know about it. I'll solve it for you all.
So, and first question number 8.
Okay, section number 1, question number 8.
Answer question 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but is the first one clear with all of you all students? Y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 3, x square plus 2x minus 1. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Later on, don't make me to go backward, please. I'm making it very clear to all the students who are into the meeting. प्लीज जिन्होंने नहीं भी किया हो, अगर थोड़ा सा ट्राई भी किया हो, डजंट मैटर कि करेक्ट नहीं, अगर तुम्हें कहाँ पे भी कुछ भी लगता है, I get it, that's I need to ask, feel free to ask. Don't take it for granted. I'm telling you very clearly. Is that clear? See, those students who are yes, Parthi, you want to say something?
Yes, I did the question first and I got the answer also, but I want to ask the steps are right or not. So, can I?
Did you use a UV method?
Yes.
Of course, you're keeping U constant differentiating V plus V constant differentiating U.
Yes, so after that I'm getting equation and then solving it.
Yeah, fine, doesn't matter. That's absolutely correct. But your answer is 4x cubed minus 3x squared minus 8x plus 9. Is it matching?
Yes, sir. It's
Absolutely
completely
correct.
matching.
Yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Then it's correct.
Okay.
Okay. What about the second one, students? Second question, did you all get it? All of you all?
Yes.
Anyone is having doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What about the third one? The second one, can you tell me? Second one, can you tell me what's the method you'll be using it?
Question 2.
V by U.
Absolutely. Somebody create quotient rule. That is U by V we consider. You can anybody give me the formula for the quotient rule?
So we first will keep v constant and differentiate u, minus will keep v constant and differentiate v upon v square.
Very good. Very good. See, one thing, these formulas has to be taken care of. Okay. Now, suppose in case if I ask, suppose if I ask, Gauri, can you tell me what exactly differentiating ln x, ln x, differentiating ln x? Gauri. Okay. Anyone who can answer?
1 by
Yes. 1 by x.
X.
Now, suppose if I अगर मैंने देखो ध्यान से सुनना, everybody listen carefully. Okay. Absolutely correct, Parthi. She posted the answer. I asked you differentiating ln. Answer is 1 by x. Sorry, 1 by x. But now suppose in the examinations, I might ask you differentiate log of x to the base of e.
That's the
respect to
same as ln x.
So it's 1 upon x only. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यानी फिर ये बोला नहीं कि हमें नहीं सिखाया. Please, I made it very clear. What is ln x? Log of x to the base of e. So somewhere or the other, you need to use your way of approach towards your maths part of it. Okay? Don't expect that one person should tell everything in that case. Somewhere or the other, you have to. ये ln x है तो ये log of x to the base of e हो जाएगा. अगर इसका आंसर 1 by x है तो इसका आंसर भी 1 by x हो जाएगा. Okay? Now let's go for the next question. Now, when I went for the second one you all said it's u by v method. Absolutely correct. It's u by v method in that case. Okay, third one. Anybody has any doubt? I'm speaking about, please, those students who have joined in new section 1, page number 38. Third one, y is equal to x upon x square plus 1. Again, anyone is having doubt in this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
which method I'll be using it?
U by V.
U by V method again.
U by v method. That is your quotient rule we consider. Okay, then fourth one, y is equal to ax plus b upon cx plus d. Did I get this part also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of y'all, not 1, 2, and 3.
Yes,
Of course, those 10 students are there, they will certainly say yes. What about the rest of them? Yana, did you get it? Fourth one?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Sohana, what about you? Sohana, did you get it?
No,
Why? Then you should say, "Okay, I'm not able to get it."
I was just going to tell you, sir.
Pardon?
I was just going to tell you.
Okay, you were supposed to tell me in that case. Shreyash, what about you, Shreyash? Shreyash, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you, did you get it?
Get the fourth one.
You didn't get the fourth one. Did you? Okay. Now, Shreyash, you only unmute yourself and answer. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now, please pay attention. Shreyas is going to respond to the questions which I'm going to raise it to him. Don't worry, Shreyas. Okay. अगर गलत भी होगा तो कोई problem नहीं. We are doing the fourth one, students. Okay. The fourth one is y is equal to ax plus b upon cx plus d. Okay. Now, Shreyas, if in case if I ask you, I want you to differentiate. I want to differentiate the given expression with respect to dx. So I'm going to try out differentiating ax plus b cx plus d I'll consider. Now, Shreyash, which method I'm going to use it over here for differentiation? Should I use your product rule? Should I use your quotient rule? Which one?
Quotient rule.
Okay, and what exactly the formula do you remember? If I ask you differentiating u by v, the formula क्या है?
Differentiate u by minus.
Will you in the first what is the numerator? Will you keep v as it is constant?
Yes.
तो differentiate किसको करोगे? u को करोगे?
Uh,
फिर क्या आएगा? Minus sign.
Differentiate u को constant
Okay, u को constant रखूंगा differentiating dv by dx upon
v
v square. Fine. तो ये तुम्हें आ गया तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या था? अब इसी को हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. Okay, Shona, please listen, have a look at properly. ये formula, I'm using the same formula. This is your variable u students. This is your variable u. Those students who are not able to get it, and this is your variable v students. Now, in the first case, I'll keep v constant. So what I'll do, I'll write on cx plus v constant. Differentiating du. Please, those students who are in the initial state who feel like that, okay, no, I'm not able to, go in a simple way. Nothing to worry about it. So it's differentiating what? Ax plus b by dx minus keeping u constant. Differentiating v. Cx plus d. Are you getting it? By dx. The whole upon v square. Is this clear to all the students, those who haven't got it?
Yes, sir.
All of you, all those students who haven't got it, I'm not speaking about those who are getting it. Out of 26 students, almost 10 have done it. Are you getting it? I'm speaking about the rest 16 students who didn't do it or who tried it out but not able to get it. Okay. So this is what your mathematical relation. Now if I solve it dy by dx, तो ये क्या करूंगा सर cx plus d तो वैसे ही आएगा. Now can I say differentiating dAx, यानी अगर तुम्हें इसकी इसमें प्रॉब्लम होता है तो सेपरेटली करो ना, ax plus b by dx. तो क्या करोगे, इसको देखो, इसको सेपरेटली देखो, differentiating ax by dx plus differentiating b by dx. देखो मैंने इसी को सेपरेटली किया वापस. It's u plus v method. अभी differentiating ax में एक कांस्टेंट आएगा तो a बार आ जाएगा. ये क्या होगा, dx by dx हो जाएगा. Differentiating constant, can you differentiate a constant term? What is the answer of
0.
0. यानी इसका आंसर बचा क्या सर, ये होगा a into dx by dx
A.
and dx cancels the बचा a. See, those students who are in the initial stage who are still not able to do like a small baby, doesn't matter, don't go directly. People who have got it or who can catch things more fast in that case, then they go. लेकिन उतना भी directly मत जाओ कि तुम पहले attempt में गलत चले जाओ फिर recorrect करो अपने आप को. So go slowly somewhat, try to get the correct answer. Getting correct answer is more important rather than getting incorrect in the first attempt and then correct in the second attempt. It should not be like that. Okay. Now further ahead. Likewise, I'll go for the latter part of it. ये एक bracket में आ जाएगा. अभी देखो minus ये term as it is ax plus b. Now can you give me the answer for this directly, students? Differentiating cx plus d. So can I say u plus v method?
C.
Yes, it will be c into dx plus dx upon dx cancel हो जाएगा and differentiating d is a constant term. तो आएगा नहीं. तो ये एक bracket में आ गया. Upon क्या है? Denominator क्या है? It's cx plus d.
CX plus D the whole square.
Now if I happen to solve it for the what exactly get it? So this becomes cxa plus dA. This becomes minus cxa plus into minus bc upon cx plus d the whole square. Do you have any cancellation? Yes, sir. This is positive.
CX.
Cancel हो जाएगा. तो बचा क्या? So it's
DA minus BC.
upon cx plus d the whole square, and that's your answer. Is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I erase this? Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Now see one thing, when I'm asking this, shall I erase this? Person who know it will say it yes, but Shreyas was not able to crack it. So Anna, even you are also, but you all are not saying it yes, sir, erase it. That means somewhere or the other you may not be noting it down.
No,
This is
no.
something.
No, I got it, sir.
Instantly reply like yes, sir. You can do it in that case. And have you all understood? Have you understood those who haven't got it? So Anna, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay. And again, I'm telling the students, make your formulas more strong. If the formula strong hoga na, to tumhe easily you'll be able to pick it. And initially, when you're solving problems, na students, you write down the formula with some different thing. Problem tum likho और एक reading लो और वहाँ पे formula state करते रहो हर एक problem. So as you go on writing the formula also simultaneously, you'll be able to get it later on. Okay. What about the fifth one? Yes. Fifth one.
I
Did
have a doubt.
Okay. Now,
Even I have the doubt.
I have a doubt.
this was the only question which was tougher, and somewhere
Sir.
9 you. Huh.
So I knew how to solve it. I've solved also, but there's a sign mistake in the final answer.
This is because see, this question is slightly on a lengthier part of it. It's very easy. लेकिन दूसरी बात है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पेशेंस चाहिए, यानी मैंने बोला ना फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में करेक्ट लेके आना, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. शायद तुम वापस करोगे तो तुम्हें सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में करेक्ट मिलेगा, but somewhere you need to take care of this. Is that clear? Now let me put forward the question. Is that clear? The question given to you as students. is differentiating what exactly consider this? It's z is equal to,
X
I'm
square
speaking about
plus 1
okay, it's x square plus 1
upon
upon
3x square minus 1.
3x square minus 1, and then you have plus x square minus 1 into 1 minus x. Now, students, when you're solving this particular question, what exactly you try to go for it? Try to figure it out. These are two expressions given in a given problem. यानी एक को तुम ले सकते हो u by v method, the quotient rule, और दूसरा एक product rule हो सकता है. तो अगर तुम्हें पूछा गया differentiate z, आंसर सुना, differentiate z with respect to x. Differentiate z with respect to x, so it's dz by dx. Okay, yeah, I can write down differentiation of z with respect to x. So it's dz with dx. So now if I happen to differentiate, तो तुम क्या करोगे? ये जो 3 है वो कांस्टेंट है, 1/3 स्टूडेंट्स, 3 is a multiple in the denominator. तो इसको 1/3 को पूरा बाहर निकाल दो ना, पूरा कांस्टेंट है. अभी ये देखो, ये तुम्हारा ये हो जाएगा और ये तुम्हारा v हो जाएगा. Can I use u by v method over here? Yes. Please,
Yes,
all the
sir.
students who did the previous question, u by, that's why I picked up that question. इसके पहले वाला मैंने जानबूझ के लिया और फोर्स किया स्टूडेंट्स को पूछने के लिए कि do you have doubt in this? And there were 2 students who put forward that. The reason is why, because I want to use the same formula over here. Okay, u by v method. Now, when I spoke about it, what exactly v? Keep v as it is. Differentiate x square plus 1 by dx we consider. Agreed. So v as it is, differentiating u minus, agreed, u as it is, differentiating v by dx, the whole upon, is the switch clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
I gotta get v into du by dx minus u into du by dx. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, पहले इसी को थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करते हैं. Then we go for u into v method. Simultaneously, I don't want to do it because I want the students to get confused to a great extent. Let us go for this part only. So equal to 1/3. Okay, अब यहाँ पे देखो ये x square minus 1 हो जाएगा. ये क्या? And try to put brackets very properly. Differentiating x square plus 1. So differentiating x square है, 1 is a constant, तो उसका तो आंसर 0 होगा. Students, can you tell me what is differentiating x square?
2x.
2x.
2x. Agreed? Minus sign. अभी देखो ये पूरा ऐसा ब्रैकेट में लिखो, क्योंकि माइनस पूरे टर्म के लिए. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स गड़बड़ करते हैं. ये x square plus 1 हुआ. Now, can I say differentiating x square minus 1? Minus 1 is a constant, so that will be 0. What is
2x.
differentiating x square over here also? 2x I'm going to consider. Upon what exactly I'm going to get it? I'm going to
X
get it
square
as
minus 1 the whole square.
the whole square. Is this clear, students? And 1/3 is out for the first term. Piche wale ke liye nahi. Agreed? Now over here, if I want to solve it further, students, can I remove 2x outside? ये common term है दोनों में.
Yes, sir.
तो bracket में क्या होगा? So this is x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 upon x square minus 1 the whole square. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed? Do you have any cancellation? ये क्या हो जाएगा? -1 -2 क्या हो जाएगा? -1 minus 1 is -2. -2 into 2 क्या हो जाएगा?
-2
-4.
minus
-4
4x.
से कितने? -4x हो जाएगा upon 3 into bracket x square minus 1 the whole square. अभी मैंने ये पूरा सॉल्व कर दिया है. The reason is why, what exactly? No, because the latter term is plus sign. Are you getting it? Now, if I'm trying to get it, I'll get a plus sign, plus sign, plus sign. और इसको आगे मुझे अगर सॉल्व करना है तो मैं डिनोमिनेटर को देखूंगा. अगर दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर मुझे सेम मिलता है तो एलसीएम इजी बन जाता है मेरा. So now what I'll go for the latter part of it, the second part of it, plus, plus, plus. What is this? So this is u into v method. Students, can you tell me the formula for differentiating u into v? What will keep constant?
We will keep u
v
constant first, then differentiating v plus v constant, differentiating u.
Very good. और यहाँ पे signs को ध्यान में रखना. What she said it right now. First, I'll keep u constant, differentiate तो v करेंगे. उसके बाद में प्लस साइन था. यहाँ पे क्या है? माइनस साइन है. u by v मेथड में ये नेगेटिव साइन है. स्टूडेंट्स ये भूल जाते हैं. So unless and until if you don't know the mathematical formulas, we'll not be able to move further at students. So now if I have to consider, I'm gonna get keeping, suppose if I keep u constant, okay, so x square minus 1, differentiating 1 minus x. चलो students, इसको separately solve करते हैं. those students were not able to get it. Differentiating 1 minus x by dx. मुझे बताओ students ये क्या होगा? तो मुझे लगा सर differentiating 1
-1.
by dx माइनस एन बार आएगा, dx by dx हो जाएगा. देखो ये कौन सा मेथड मैंने लिया है? u प्लस तो माइनस v मेथड लिया है. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स सबको? Please, those students who haven't solved this question, I'm asking to them, do reply, do respond.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear? So now in this case, ये तो constant है, constant कभी भी differentiate नहीं होता है. Minus dx by तो ये क्या होगा? -1 हो जाएगा. So what is the answer for this? So this
-1.
answer is -1. Agreed. Then you have a plus sign. This I'll put it into one bracket. Plus sign. Agreed.
1
Now if I
minus
have to do, yeah, differentiating 1 minus x constant. What is differentiating x square minus 1?
2x.
Of course, 2x. इसको भी separately बता देता हूँ because already I had given earlier. Differentiating x square minus 1 upon dx. So students, how to go about? अगर इसको separately करना है तो differentiating dx square by dx minus differentiating 1 by dx. So ये तो constant term है. What is differentiating x square? The answer is ना, differentiating x square by dx is actually the formula differentiating x raised to n by dx. Students, what's the formula of differentiating x raised to n by dx?
And
N
x
into
raised to n
x.
minus 1.
Agreed. n into x raised to n minus 1. यानी ये n आगे आ जाएगा, x यहाँ पे आएगा, 2 minus 1 ऊपर आएगा. So can I say my answer will be 2x? Hope that students who haven't done it will be able to get this part very clearly. Now suppose if I move further ahead, इसका आंसर मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 2x मिल जाएगा. So then I'm going to put it back over here. So students, keeping u constant, differentiating, we consider 1 minus x, so differentiating u, so it will be 2x, bracket close. This is simply u into v method. Solving this further, what exactly I'm going to get it? So this, if I happen to consider, it will be
Minus x square.
minus 1. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Plus what exactly it will be? This will be 2x minus 2x square. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now solving it further, can I say this is minus x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x square? Solving
Yes,
this,
sir.
minus 3x square.
Minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1.
Okay, so minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. If I want to solve it, I can keep minus n outside and change it accordingly. What's the answer they've given behind?
So this is the answer.
So this is
Okay,
the form.
fine. Is this clear? Have you understood how to go about? Separately, you can go for it. Is this clear with all the students? All
Yes.
26 within the classroom?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And students, whenever you solve problems, after solving it, do cross-check your final answer from behind. Your confidence should be raised in that case. Don't just blindly go ahead without rechecking it. I gotta get confronting it behind in that case. Now, students, when I said it, can I erase it? Those students who knew it, who got it, they said it yes. And see this way, I put that particular part, and within 30 seconds, I told, shall I erase it? Yes. Is it possible for the students who are still trying to get it, copying it down? No. अगर वो copy करते तो मुझे रोकते. तो अभी वो क्या करेंगे? वापस दोबारा lectures देखेंगे. This is what it is. I have no problems. You watch through the recordings if you want. I have no problems. But students at the same time concentrate within the classroom and gain confidence. Is that clear? पढ़ने वाले तो certainly they'll do it. जिनको करना है तो वो करेंगे. They will certainly. Very good, Sparsh. I'm happy. Okay, next question. Sixth one. Did I get the answer for the sixth one, students? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Seventh one. Did I get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone. Seventh one. Everyone got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Can one of you all, Sanjana, can you tell me seventh one how to go about? I'll put the
So-
question. Please wait a minute. Let me put the question. Y is equal to h2 upon x cube minus 1. Yes.
So we can use the u by v formula. First, we'll keep v constant, differentiate u minus, but then we'll keep u constant, differentiating v upon v square.
Okay. So what's the answer you got it finally?
So minus 6x square upon x cube minus 1 the whole square.
What do you got it?
Minus 6x square upon x cube minus 1 the whole square.
Is that the answer given behind?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. She went for u by v method. Students, can I make it still easier? ये रेस्ट पावर ऑफ 1 था, उसको बोलूंगा तो -1 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये है क्या?
Yes, sir.
कांस्टेंट है. कांस्टेंट को डिफरेंशिएट करोगे नहीं. अभी मैं सपोज मैं निकालूंगा dy by dx. तो कैन आई से डिफरेंशिएटिंग 2 into bracket x cube minus 1 raised to -1 upon dx. Can I differentiate 2?
No, it will be 0.
दो बार आ गया, यानी मुझे करना क्या? सिर्फ डिफरेंशिएट x cube minus
X
1
cube
raised to
minus 1.
dx. ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला चला गया? Differentiating x raised to n by dx. Students, what's the formula of differentiating x raised to n by dx?
And x raised to n minus 1.
So can I say I can use the same formula twice? N. What is n?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Is that clear? Into bracket, what exactly we consider?
X cube minus 1.
Cube minus 1.
Into what we consider?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 1. Agreed. Further, can I differentiate this part of it? Differentiating x cube minus 1 simply only by dx, because this was raised to the power of 2, and now differentiate this part.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये होगा -2.
Minus 2 x cube minus 1 raised to minus 2.
Now can you differentiate x cube? क्या होगा? 3x.
3x square.
ये -1, is it a constant term?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
0.
Can it be differentiated? 0. So now can I say my answer? I'm getting it as -6x square. Agreed. So my answer will be -6x square upon x cube minus 1 raised to the power of 2. क्योंकि -2 ऊपर चला गया तो +2. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please try to get it very clearly in this case. Are you getting it? I differentiated this. So again, ध्यान से सुनना. This was differentiating a particular term raised to -1. So I use this. लेकिन please, everybody concentrate over here. ये फॉर्मूला है, लेकिन जब भी मैंने फॉर्मूला सिखाया था, ध्यान से सुनना, जब भी मैंने फॉर्मूला सिखाया था, तो इसके पीछे मैंने क्या लिखा था?
dx by dx.
लिखा था कि नहीं लिखा था? लिखा था कि नहीं लिखा था? उसको कैंसिल
Yes.
करते, लेकिन ये अभी यहाँ पर मुझे काम में आ रहा है. देखो, ये चीज मुझे अभी देखो, मेरा x वेरिएबल क्या है? ये पूरा मेरा x
X
वेरिएबल
cube
है.
minus 1.
X cube minus 1. क्योंकि this is not x, this is x cube, so I need to redifferentiate this part. This is very important, and many students miss out this part of it. That's why I picked up this question once again. Are you getting this clear, all of y'all?
Yes.
Okay, चलो इसी का और एक एग्जांपल मैं तुम्हें देता हूँ. Everybody listen carefully, okay? ये रखता हूँ मैं वैसे ही. Now I want you to solve this, all of y'all, okay? All of y'all think very properly and try to get the answer. Okay? Listen carefully, students. The question which I'm giving it to you is, I must have given you this question also. Let's see whether you have got it. Y is equal to 1 by 4 tan cube x. Chalo. My question is differentiate y with respect to x. Those who have done it, cross-check it. Those who haven't done it, try it out once again. Those who haven't done it, please solve it right now and get the answer. try to figure out these two questions. सामने देखो ना, सामने देखो ना, सामने देखो. 2 constant है, 1/4 constant है. Very good.
Done.
Okay. ये x cube minus 1 raised to minus 1 है, ये 10 cube x है. हाँ, वो बात है कि तुम्हें differentiating. Okay, can you tell me what exactly the relation for differentiating tan x by dx?
X square.
Sec square. ये पता होना चाहिए बस. Those who have done it, please do raise your hands. How many of you have done it? How many of you have done it? Just raise your hands. I want to check out how many of you have done it. Let's see what's the strength of the students who have done it. Out of the strength of 26, just 5 students. And please, students, don't get worried if in case these students only score in the paper, upcoming exams. 10 students, 11 students. Very good, very good. Very good. Isha also has got it. Swati also is raising hand. Very good. Soumya also, Chinani also. Very good. Okay, now let me do the solution for you all. With answer Ekna. Please cross-check your solution with mine. Exactly how to think and how to go about. अब आंसर देखना, जब भी ये क्वेश्चन मिलेगा तो तुम क्या करो मालूम है? इसका पहला स्टेप ऐसे करो कि y is equal to 1/4. Students, tan cube x को कहना है ना, tan x raised to the power of 3. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से. I getting it? Now solving it. dy by dx. अगर मैं डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा तो कहने से 1/4 तो कांस्टेंट आ जाएगा, तो बाहर आ जाएगा. Agreed? स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे बताओ डिफरेंशिएटिंग tan x raised to the power of 3 by dx क्या होगा? तो तुरंत तुम बोलोगे सर डिफरेंशिएटिंग tan x raised to the power of 3 यानी x raised to n by dx का फॉर्मूला आएगा. स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो मेरा x है ना, ये पूरा x मेरा tan x हो जाएगा और ये जो n है वो 3 हो जाएगा. तो नाउ कैन आई गेट एन आंसर? यस सर.
3 tan square x.
3 tan n minus 1 so square x. लेकिन पीछे क्या आएगा?
dx by dt.
डिफरेंशिएटिंग tan x by dx आया ना ये?
Yes, sir.
Everybody will click it. Same, exactly same pattern. कभी देखो तुम्हारा क्या आंसर होगा in this case? If I happen to consider will be, what's my answer in this case? That will be equal to how much?
3/4 tan square x square x.
And this will be 6 square x. That's your answer. Is this clear with all of you all?
So
Yes,
we can
sir.
use the chain rule also.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm using the chain rule itself only. Because this I'm going with respect to dy by dx, and then I can multiply in both the sides, and we can use that.
Yes, sir.
If somebody's raising hand, who's this? Yeah, fine. You can drop your hand, students. Okay. Hope that you have got it, all of you all. And mind you, did I give you this question for homework also, students? Section 2 में दिया था मैंने ये?
Yes, sir, but
Sir,
it was
yes, sir.
tan raised to 4.
Okay, tan raised to 4. I gave it tan raised to 3.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
अगर 4 हो जाता तो ये 4 आता तो 4 and 4 gets cancelled.
Cancel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see थोड़ा सा change कर दिया. Okay, fine. Can I erase both these now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, did I get the 8th one? Section 1, page number 38,
No,
8th one.
sir.
No.
No,
Fine.
sir.
Fine,
No,
fine.
sir.
We'll do it. We'll do this. Now, see, one thing when you look into the students, the question for the 8th one, please, it's section 1 itself. Only I'm speaking about the 8th question. 8th question given to us, y is equal to x squared minus x plus 1 upon a cube minus 3. If you read the question which is given on top of it, from problems 1 to 9, differentiate the given function with respect to x. So y is a function, x is a variable, so I need to find out differentiating dy by dx. When you go for dy by dx, yani what about a cube and 3 is other than y and x? These are constant terms.
dt.
तो इसको constant निकाल दो ना. इसको तुम क्यों रख रहे हो अंदर? ये constant है तुम्हारा. यानी इसको तुम बाहर निकाल सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स, उसको डिफरेंशिएट होगा ही नहीं है, ये डिफरेंशिएट होगा ही नहीं, इसको बाहर आना है। तो अभी तुम्हारा क्या होगा सर, डिफरेंशिएट किसको करोगे, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स प्लस वन बाई डी एक्स होगा। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? आई गेटिंग इट? Now see, if I want to go for this, which formula I'm using it, then you'll say, sir, आपने बोला था y is equal to k x raised to n. अगर आपने n k is a constant, you had given the formula that dy by dx अगर चाहिए तो differentiating k x raised to n by dx. तो अगर ये कांस्टेंट है तो आपने बोला था कांस्टेंट कभी डिफरेंशिएट नहीं होता है, बाहर निकाल दो, चलेगा ना, बाहर निकाल, that's what it is. तो अभी क्या होगा, डिफरेंशिएटिंग x raised to n by dx, इसका तो फॉर्मूला सबको मालूम है, n into x raised to n minus 1, ये तुम्हारा आंसर होगा। लेकिन तुम बोलोगे सर यहाँ पे k है क्या, द वैल्यू ऑफ k इज 1 अपॉन a क्यूब माइनस 3। चलो ना, अगर वो नहीं जमता तो इसको a क्यूब माइनस 3 रेज टू माइनस 1 लिखो ना। अभी देखो ये पूरा k आ गया, न्यूमरेटर में आ गया तुम्हारा,
Yes, sir. अभी हो गया sir.
निकाल दो ना बाहर, निकाल दो उसको बाहर कांस्टेंट। यानी तुम स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर ट्राइंग टू गो फॉर फॉर्मूला इटसेल्फ ओनली। So many students must be getting confused over here that how do you consider constant means जरूरी नहीं, अगर मैंने लिया था 1 by 2 तो I can write it 2 raised to minus 1, or if I say 2 raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2, doesn't matter. क्या ये clear हुआ everybody?
Yes, sir. अभी solve भी हो गया sir.
Yeah, now if you consider, अभी देखो तुम्हारा आंसर निकल गया 1 by e की minus के बाहर आ गया। So now can you get an answer? Yes, अभी इसी को differentiate करना है and that becomes so easy. तो अगर मैं इसको differentiate करूँ तो what exactly my answer will be?
2x minus 1.
2x
Yes,
minus 1.
students will be 1 upon a cube minus 3. अभी देखो अगर ये पूरे 3 टर्म्स है तो u plus और minus v मेथड, अगर किसी को नहीं जमता है तो सेपरेटली डिफरेंशिएट करो ना, डिफरेंशिएटिंग x square by dx, टेक बेबी स्टेप्स स्टूडेंट्स, डजंट मैटर, टेक बेबी स्टेप्स, डजंट मैटर, लेकिन करेक्ट आंसर लेके आओ। आई गेटिंग इट? माइनस dx by dx प्लस डिफरेंशिएटिंग 1 by dx चलेगा। What exactly? It's 1 upon a cube minus 3. Differentiating x raised to n, it's 2x raised to n minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 2. ये क्या होगा? Minus 1 की cancel हो जाएगा. Differentiating constant will be 0. So what's my answer? 2x minus 1 upon a cube minus 3. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
All of you.
sir, I want to ask one thing.
Yes, Pathway.
So here you took out the a cube minus 3 whole outside, but what if we differentiate as if u and v, taking u and v here?
UN?
V.
My dear, how can you differentiate v in this case? Because it's not a variable. It's not a y is not differentiated with respect to a. Y is differentiated with respect to x. Look at the question. जब भी हम differentiate करते हो यही तो है, what exactly function is and what exactly a variable. किसको differentiate करना है वो variable part होगा in that case. समझ में आ रहा है? तो तुम differentiate करोगे y with respect to x है। अगर मेरा equation होता, ध्यान से सुना, अगर मैंने ये question दिया होता differentiate y with respect to a, तो ये पूरा term मेरा बाहर आ जाता, because my main term is a, पूरा expression a में होगा। That is more important to keep in mind कि what exactly differentiating is. If I say y is equal to x raised to n, and if I say differentiating y with respect to x, so I need to consider differentiation of x. अगर suppose मैंने आगे यहाँ पे b लिखा होता या b by a लिखा होता या नीचे a square लिखा होता, so I'm not differentiating with b and a square. No. Is this clear? Is this
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay.
But what if we can use u by v method in this question?
Okay,
Then that
use
whole
v.
constant term we will take it 0.
But the denominator, what will take it then? Denominator will be v square, we get it ना? a cube minus 3 whole square तुम्हें आएगा फिर नीचे, है ना? Is this clear? Yana, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, no, just crack this one. Please try to solve this, okay, students? All of you tried this one. Y is equal to, the question I'm putting it over here, I'm going to erase this part, okay? Question is y is equal to, everybody listen carefully, x plus x square plus 1 by x plus 1 by x cube. My question is differentiate y with respect to x. Solve and get me the answer. Sanjana has put forward the answer. Absolutely correct, Sanjana. She got it. All of you try it out.
Sir, we have to send the answer in the chat.
Pardon?
We have to send the answer in the chat, I asked.
Yeah, you have to get the answer for this and you can solve it and keep it yourself. I'm going to solve it for you all. And then let me know how many people are getting the answer. Correct. Ah, Suhani. Nahi. Aditi is also correct. Partvi, thoda sa soch. I'm just giving you 1 more minute, students, okay? Okay, Kathy has got it, Suhani has got it, Sneha has got it, Sanjana has got it. 4 of them have got it. What about the rest of them? Absolutely correct, Suhani. Aditi has also got it. Yes, students. I'll solve it for you all, okay? Now, please pay attention. When you're taking this particular question, it's actually your u plus v method in that case, but there are 4 terms, doesn't make any difference. तो सबसे पहले तुम क्या करो, इसी इक्वेशन को तुम लिखो ना अच्छी तरह से, ये x है तो x raised to 1 plus x raised to
Plus
2
x raised to 2 plus x
plus
raised to minus 1
yes
plus
this
x
is
raised to minus 3.
very good. Differentiating dy by dx, so differentiating the whole of the function with respect to dx. इसमें वापस उसको लिख नहीं रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे पूरा ये टर्म आ जाएगा, आइडेंटिकल मार्क्स. So dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? Separately अभी लिखना तो separately लेगा. See, I'm doing very in this manner so that all you can get it. Plus differentiate second part. यानी तुम्हारे mistakes कम हो जाते हैं students. Differentiating x raised to minus 1 by dx plus differentiating x raised to minus 3 by dx. Formula हमें यहाँ पे use करना है. What exactly y is equal to x raised to n. What is differentiating dy by dx? Formula क्या है? n into x raised to n minus 1, ये तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला होगा, सब में यही फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो नाउ therefore dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? सर यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएटिंग x raised to 1 है, आई गेटिंग इट, तो dx by dx ही बचेगा, तो दिस विल बी सिंपली 1, कैंसिल हो जाएगा पूरा, आंसर 1 ही आएगा मुझे, प्लस डिफरेंशिएटिंग x स्क्वायर तो 2 आगे जाएगा, व्हाट विल बी x raised to 2 minus 1, agreed, plus differentiating x raised to minus 1, so this will be minus 1 again. X raised to what? Minus 1, minus 1.
X raised to minus 2.
Agreed? This is very important for students to understand how to go about plus. See the formulas over here. X raised to minus 3, so n times, so minus 3 times x raised to n minus 1, minus 3 minus 1. Agreed? Now when you're solving it, what is it? 1 plus 2 x 2 minus 1 is 1 plus into minus
X raised to minus 2.
minus 2 plus into minus 3 x raised to.
Minus
4.
So can I say my answer will be equal to 1 plus 2x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by 3x raised to 4.
So
And
we
those
can
were-
keep 3 at the top only,
So
minus
we can
3
be-
Oh, sorry.
on x raised to 4.
Very sorry. 3 at the top. Very sorry. Minus 3 upon x raised to 4. Okay. So those students who have posted the answers, all of them have got it correct. Is that clear? Parthy, did you get it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir, wait. Sir.
Very good. कितना loudly बोला, मुझे डरा दिया. Wait sir. आगे बढ़ेगा तो देख लेना.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, I'll get the 9th one, students. 9th question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और यहाँ पे
Yes,
भी
sir.
1 by root pi I can remove as a constant. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
9th one, please. Those who have done it, please try to get it in this manner. Y is equal to 1 minus x cube upon root of pi. Pi is a constant, so 1 upon root pi बाहर आएगा. सिर्फ differentiate करना है 1 minus x cube by dx हो गया. तो देखो 1 by root pi जिसको नहीं मिला उनके लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ. Differentiating 1 by dx minus differentiating x cube by dx. तो ये होगा 1 upon root of pi हो जाएगा, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. minus 3 आगे जाएगा, x square dx by dx तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. What's my answer? minus 3x square upon root pi.
Sir, I didn't took out it, but then also I got the same answer.
Yes, sir. I also did it by U by V, but I get
I don't know.
Sir,
Okay,
even I did it by U by V.
fine. But now you remember in this manner, students, when you get a constant, try to remember constant outside in that case. Exactly, that will be more faster.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase the students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Section 2, did I give it to you all? Which is the next part I give you?
11,
Section
14, 19, 23, 21.
Okay, so 11, 14, 19, 22, 21. Okay, 11th one. Did everybody get the 11th one?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
of you, all,
sir.
which method you used it?
U by
U
V.
by V.
Absolutely correct. U by V method. Is that clear? Because y is equal to x upon 1 minus cos x. Is that clear? Please, those who haven't got it, please tell me. I'll solve it for you all. Don't just take it blindly. Okay, 14th one. Did you get the 14th one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. All of you all? All of you all? 14th
No, sir, I
one?
didn't got it.
हाँ, तो बातें बोल ना. Why you take tension? बिंदास बोल पारफी. नहीं, sir, I didn't get it. Nothing to worry about it. Okay. Now please pay attention. 14th one. I'm solving the 14th one. And you should be thankful to Parthi कि if she is asking, that means बाकी जो students नहीं किया है ना, उनके लिए भी benefit हो जाता है, मालूम है? यानी बोलना शुरू करो. Try to speak out. Okay. I'm not a person to blast onto you all. नहीं आया तो नहीं आया. Fine enough. ना, doesn't matter. लेकिन सिखाने के बाद में फिर आगे वापस वैसे questions आए या थोड़ा सा changes आया तो you should not say कि no, I'm not able to get that part also. That is us. Your working should be in that manner. That's all. So देखो 14 one students. Let us go for this 14. Okay. दिया क्या है पार्ट में? You only answer. Sin x upon x plus x upon sin x. अब मुझे बताओ इसके लिए क्या यूज u by v मेथड, पहले केस के लिए और सेकंड केस के लिए भी.
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे बताओ फर्स्ट केस के लिए. नाउ सपोज इफ आई गो फॉर dy by dx. Okay, so this is u and this is v. चलो तो इसको कैसे करोगे बोलो. Keep v as it is.
Yes,
You know
sir.
you know the
Yes,
formula
I
u
know.
by v method. Okay, बोलो.
U by V formula is we will keep first V
Now
constant.
don't say u by v formula. Say that keep x constant.
Okay, x constant and then differentiating sin x.
By dx.
Yes.
Okay. Then in uv method, u
Minus
by v
sin
method,
x.
minus
Minus
sin
sin x.
differentiating.
X
Very good. Upon
x square.
very good. ये पहला पार्ट तो उसको पूरा एक बड़े ब्रैकेट में लिख दो अच्छी तरह से. ये प्लस साइन आया. अभी इसको भी लिख लो. ये क्या होगा?
Sin
This is u
x
and this is v. हाँ तो sin x
differentiating x.
dx by dx हो जाएगा. Which sign will
Yes.
come here?
Minus
Minus. Then
x into
Hmm.
differentiate d sin x upon dx.
very good. Upon
Sin x square.
sin x. Can I say sin square x?
Okay, yeah.
Or sin x whole square, sin square x. Absolutely correct.
Yes.
Now can you get the answer? ये x है. What is differentiating sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x.
Let answer the answer. Okay. Minus
Sin
sin
x.
this will get
1
okay cancel upon
x square.
x square. ये पूरा एक ब्रैकेट में आया प्लस
Sin x.
sin x. Okay, minus
X cos x.
x
Cos
cos
x.
upon
Sin x square. Sin square x.
okay. अभी तुम्हारा आंसर मिल गया ना. ये x cos x ही है. ये तुम्हारा आंसर आ गया. लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर अलग है. लेकिन do you see any identity any identical terms in the numerator? यहाँ तक तुम्हारा फिजिक्स हो गया. अभी मैथ्स और आगे जा रहा है. ये देखो x cos x sin x x cos x. तो क्या तुम किसी को बाहर निकाल सकते हो? अगर सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे माइनस साइन बाहर निकाल दिया तो ये क्या हो जाता है? ये माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस हो जाएगा. बात हुई.
Yes, sir.
देखो ये भी x cos x है, x cos x है, sin x है, sin x है. लेकिन फर्क ये है कि यहाँ पे माइनस है और ये प्लस
Minus.
होगा. ये x cos x माइनस sin x. कि ये क्या करो मालूम है? मेरा आंसर यहाँ तक खत्म हो गया. अभी मैं क्या करूँ? अगर सपोज मेरे सामने 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं तो उनके साथ में मुझे मैच करना है. कौन सा ऑप्शन के साथ में जाएगा? तो दे ट्राई टू डू इट इन दिस मैनर. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि यहाँ तक तुम्हारा पूरा डेरिवेटिव्स क्लियर हो गया, इसकी बाद में नहीं आया यानी मैथ्स की वजह से तुम्हारे मार्क्स गए. ये भी तो मैथ्स ही है. I get it? ये पूरा मैथ्स ही है, लेकिन इसके बाद में तुम्हारे मार्क्स प्योरली मैथ्स के लिए चले गए, ना कि फिजिक्स की वजह से गए. अगर तुम्हारा आंसर इसके बाद में टैली नहीं होता ऑप्शन के बाद है, तो यू हैव टू ब्लेम कि नहीं मैथ्स पार्ट इज द वेयर यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. ये तुम्हारा x स्क्वायर है. अगर सपोज मैंने माइनस साइन बाहर डाल दिया तो ये क्या होता है सर? ये प्लस हो जाएगा और ये माइनस हो जाएगा अपॉन sine square x. Now can I take this in the numerator as common?
Yes, sir.
Bracket में क्या आएगा?
1 upon x square minus 1 upon sine square x.
Is that the answer given behind?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. If you look at the model, maybe they must have given in this manner because ये तुम्हारा common आ गया बात. Now clear, aren't we?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 19th one तो I had done it with y'all right now. चल fully मैंने सिर्फ 10 cube लिया था. यहाँ पे 10⁻⁴ दिया है. We'll go for 21st one. 21st one. Did I get 21st one, students? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Anybody wants to ask for the 21st? I'm speaking about page number 38, section 2, question number 21 from module. Unsolved question. Is this clear with everybody? Anybody is having a doubt for it? So now, what about you? Yash, what about you? Karu? हाँ करूँ कि नहीं करूँ? Yash, Shwana, what about you? Shwana, you want me to do it?
Which one, sir?
हाँ करूँ?
Which one? The meeting stopped. Sir.
Your voice is not clear, my dear Shreyas. Say yes or no.
Sir, I couldn't get which question.
Okay.
Net is a little slow.
I'll do it. Now please study 21st. We are speaking about 21st question. Okay. Y is equal to, the answer is now 3 sine square x minus sine cube x, students. Now ये वाला जो तुम्हारा इक्वेशन दिया है स्टूडेंट्स, ये वाला जो इक्वेशन ये u प्लस और माइनस v दिया है, यानी नेगेटिव साइन में आया, तो तुम्हें दोनों टर्म को डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा. और डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट? वेरिएबल x. तो यहाँ पे लिखो dy by dx, differentiating 3 sine square x by dx minus differentiating sine cube x by dx. Now when you look into it, what exactly it is यहाँ पे? अगर मैं बोलूँ 3 तो कहने से 3 is constant, तो मैं 3 निकाल दूंगा बाहर. Friends, what is differentiating sine square x?
Sin x. 2 sin x positive.
Very good. Differentiating x is to n by dx का फॉर्मूला क्या था? ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. यहाँ पे x मेरा sin x है. यानी स्टूडेंट देखो ये sin square x लिखा है ना, ये एक्चुअली, अच्छा मैं वापस लिखता हूं बस. डिफरेंशिएटिंग 3 कांस्टेंट आएगा ना, डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin x raised to power of 2 बस अपॉन dx. से तुम्हें और अच्छी तरह से मिल जाएगा. यानी तुम्हारा ये फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा. x तुम्हारा sin x है, यहाँ पे sin square x है, यानी 2 बाहर आ गया. स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज व्हाट ऑलरेडी यू हैव लर्नड इट इन योर 9th and 10th ट्रिगोनोमेट्री चैप्टर. अगर तुम्हें दिया है sin square 60, उसका मतलब है sin 60 raised to power of 2. समझ में आ रहा है? What is the value of sin 60? √3/2 और उसको उसमें स्क्वायर कर दो. ये तुमने 10th में पढ़ा हुआ है. अभी तुम यहाँ पे पूछ नहीं सकते सर ऐसे कैसे लिखा आपने. यू कांट आस्क मी राइट नाउ बिकॉज़ ऑलरेडी हैव लर्नड इट इन क्लास 10th. तो ये तुम्हारा ऐसा हो गया. माइनस ये क्या है? डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin x raised to power of 3/dx. ये देखो अभी तुम्हारा इजी हो गया. ये कांस्टेंट तुम्हारे को बाहर निकाल दिया. What is differentiating x raised to n, students? It's n x raised to n minus 1 into what? dx by dx. यहाँ पे ये तुम्हारा या तो चेन रूल यू कैन कंसीडर इन दिस केस. dx by dx अभी मैं डायरेक्ट लिख देखो 3 आया. What exactly this will be? Set 2 बार आ जाएगा. x raised to n minus 1 यानी sin x raised to 2 minus 1 into differentiating sin x by dx. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? फर्स्ट पार्ट.
Yes, sir.
Yash, is it clear? Yes or no? Yash. अरे हाँ या ना तो बोल.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, can I rejoin the meeting? net is a little
Okay, doesn't matter, doesn't matter,
flat.
doesn't matter. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा तुम्हारा differentiating sin x is net is weak. Differentiating sin x तो whole cube के हिसाब से लोगे तो ये क्या होगा? So differentiating x raised to n. तो n into x raised to n minus 1 into what? Differentiating sin x.
Sin x by dx.
So now solving it further, this will be 3 to the 6. This will be sin x. Differentiating sin x will be equal to what? Cos x minus 3 as it is. Differentiating, sorry, sine of 3 minus 1. So this will be sin x raised to the power of 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Into what? Differentiating sin x का क्या होगा
Cos
answer?
x. Cos x.
Minus cos x. The cos x.
Cos
Plus
x.
And students, differentiating cos x will be minus sin x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now solving it further, this will be 6 sin x cos x. This will be minus 3 sin square x cos x. That's your answer. Is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase this now?
One
Yes.
minute. So further we can also take common.
Pardon?
So further we can also take 3 sin x cos x as common.
Yes, yes. Aditi, exactly same way, UB method we consider. Take cos cube x to 3, cos raised to 2x, and then differentiating cos x. Aditi, did you get it? The latter part, exactly like this.
Yes, sir. So, but then it's not matching. Like, answer is minus sine cube x.
Hmm?
So the answer at the back is minus sine cube x. So it's not matching. Like my answer is like coming in two variables. So that is why.
Wait a minute. तो मिलेगा ना तुम्हें 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स मिलेगा, वो साइन स्क्वायर एक्स हो जाएगा. ये देखो, पहले पार्ट को तुम डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा अदिति? फर्स्ट पार्ट को डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? कॉस ऑफ एक्स क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस साइन एक्स होगा. एग्री अदिति? आई एम आस्किंग यू. Aditi, are you there? Aditi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
पहले पार्ट को मैं डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा तो मुझे माइनस कॉस एक्स मिलेगा. एग्रीड?
Yes, sir.
माइनस 1/3 अगर मैं निकाल दूं बाहर, आई गेटिंग इट.
Yes.
और फिर यहाँ पे आएगा मेरा 3
Yes, sir.
cos raised to 2x होगा.
Cos square x
ओके, इनटू व्हाट? डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos x क्या हो जाएगा?
minus sine x.
Is that clear? Now this 3 and 3
Yes,
will
sir.
get cancelled. तो ये क्या होगा? मेरा माइनस साइन एक्स, ये क्या होगा? माइनस cos square x, सॉरी माइनस माइनस प्लस cos square x sin x. Can I remove sin x outside?
Yes, sir.
Into bracket क्या हो जाएगा? Let me
So
remove
minus
minus.
1.
नहीं, I am removing minus sin x outside. तो ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा? 1 minus cos
One.
square x.
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ये देखो, ये sin x है. मैंने क्या किया? माइनस sin x बाहर निकाल दिया. तो 1 minus cos square x. What is 1 minus cos square x?
Sine square x.
And
Sine
sin
x.
square x into sin x. What will be sin cube x? I
Sine
answer.
cube x. Yes.
आगे
sir.
आंसर.
Yes, sir. I have done it, but then I didn't solve 1 minus cos square x.
But now you got it.
I thought another. Yes, sir.
Is your answer tallying behind?
Yes, sir. Now it's studying.
Students, she was asking me क्वेश्चन नंबर 20th बिकॉज शी वाज इन अ फ्लो ऑफ इट, तो 20th करने बैठी थी सेम सेक्शन का, तो मैंने इसका सिर्फ डिफरेंशिएट करके उसको आंसर दे दिया है. शी सेड शी इज नॉट एबल टू मैच अप विद इट. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी देख रहे हैं तो उनके लिए द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स मैं 20th वाले की सबसे बता रहा हूँ, सेम आइडेंटिकल है दोनों, इसलिए आई डिडंट पिक अप दैट. डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos x will be minus sin x. 20th one I'm speaking about, okay? -1/3 बाहर निकाल दिया मैंने, तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos क्यूब x यानी 3 cos square x हो जाएगा इसके जैसे, इनटू डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos x will be minus sin x. तो देखो ये माइनस sin x आया, 3 कैंसिल हो गया, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस आ गया, cos square x इंटू sin x. फिर मैंने क्या किया, माइनस sin x को बाहर ले लिया, तो 1 minus cos square x and 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. So my final answer will be minus sin x into sin square x. Final answer is minus sin cube x. Can I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students, 22nd is clear.
So you didn't told to solve 26.
Which one?
So you told 21st and 23rd.
21st and
So 23rd.
23rd. Okay, so you'll get the 23rd one.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Section 3 right now. Can anybody tell me section 3? Dance sunna. Can anybody tell me section 3? I'm speaking about same page number 38, students. Page number 38, section 3. I wanted to solve 25th right now and then followed by 26th. Question is y is equal to ln square x. Differentiate the given function with respect to x. Come on, it's very easy. Don't look at your answer behind. Very good, Sanjana. Sanjana's got it correct. Aditya's also got it correct. Very good. Come on fast. Those who are getting the answer, post your answers. Post your answers. Althea, we are doing section 3, page number 38, question number 25.
Sir, I had doubt in 23.
That is x into sec square x minus tan x. So differentiate u and v method we consider.
Yes, sir, I got everything, but I'm not getting that 2.
Why 2 आगे आएगा ना, x into sec square x में 2 बाहर आ जाएगा ना, 2 आगे आ जाएगा ना तेरा, 2 आ जाएगा. x is to n का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, 2 into x is to n minus 1. तो sec x to n minus 1 हो जाएगा तेरा, 2 बाहर आ जाएगा तेरा. Are you getting it?
Okay, yes.
Sanjana, 1 minute, 26 also. People are posting for 26 also. Okay, fine. I was speaking to Parthy. Okay, students, let us go for this. Can one of you give an answer for this? Page number 38, section 3, 25th. Any one of you?
ln x by x.
Yeah, tell me how to go it.
So first we can differentiate ln square x with respect to ln x into ln x by x, I mean dx. Answer would be, for first one, we would get 2 ln x into 1 by x.
Very good. यानी तुम इसको देखो, students, ये जो है ना, y is equal to, absolutely generally correct. Y is equal to ln square x. तो इसको तुम कैसे लिखो मालूम है? Write in this manner, it doesn't matter. तो जिसको नहीं जमता हो वो ऐसे लिखते हैं ना. तो dy by dx का मतलब डिफरेंशिएटिंग ln x the whole square by dx. तो कहने से ये फॉर्मूला होगा डिफरेंशिएटिंग x raised to n by dx. वापस यही रूल आता है स्टूडेंट्स, क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो, क्यों अपने आप को बॉदर करा रहे हो इतना, उसको अच्छी तरह से लिखो ना, बेसिक लाइक अ स्मॉल किड, टेक बेबी स्टेप्स. तो ये क्या होगा n into x raised to n minus 1. तो n का मतलब 2 आ गया, x का मतलब ln x आ गया. आई गेटिंग इट? इनटू क्या होगा पीछे, dx by dx, dx by dx यानी डिफरेंशिएटिंग ln x by dx. तो स्टूडेंट्स अगर इसको मैं सॉल्व करूंगा तो क्या होगा, 2 ln x. व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग ln x by dx?
1 by
1 by
1 by
x.
x. So can I say upon x, that is my answer. Agreed, students?
yes sir.
26 1.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, bolo.
Sir, first we do dy by dx, so we are using chain rule. So we differentiate ln x square with respect to x square and then differentiate x square with respect to x. So we get 2x by x square, which is 2 by x.
Absolutely correct. Y is equal to ln x square we consider in this case, that's given to you. Okay, so differentiating dy by dx we consider is what? Differentiating ln x square by dx we consider. Is this clear? So now if I happen to consider, it will be what? Twice we consider. Is that clear? Differentiating what exactly consider will be ln x.
1 by x.
1 by x.
That is what? 2 by x. That is 1 by x. 2 by x is the answer. So fast at students. Okay, now can you tell me, students, can you give me an answer for y is equal to root of ln x? अभी देखो फर्क क्या है, ये देखो ये ln x raised to 2 है, अभी ये क्या होगा?
Raised to
ln x
minus
raised to
1.
half.
To half.
Half.
यानी इसमें और इसमें कुछ फर्क आया स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली? नो. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? अगर तुम इसको अभी डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट करो तो हाफ बार आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स. एग्रीड? एग्रीड स्टूडेंट्स? डिफरेंशिएटिंग
Yes,
ln
sir.
x वी कंसीडर यानी x raised to n, तो क्या होगा? n आ गया बाहर, x raised to n minus 1. What is half minus 1?
Minus half.
Agreed. Into what? Differentiating.
ln x by x.
So what's my final answer, students?
1 by x.
1 by 2. This will be what?
1 by square root of ln.
क्योंकि ln x raised to minus half है, नीचे आएगा तो प्लस हाफ हो जाएगा. What is differentiating ln x by dx?
1 by
So see, students, in all there is a common pattern going on throughout we consider. And ln x we simply consider as log of x to the base of e. This is 2.303 log of x to the base of 10. Can I erase this, students?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Okay, students, then which one I told you on further at?
So from exercise
Page number
48 and 9.
42.
Exercise, page number 42, exercise number 3.
Yes, sir.
Did you get the answer, second and third, students? Second and third,
Yes.
na? First one I did it. Second and third, did you get it?
No sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, so final policy of yours. Pay attention. Okay, this I'm speaking about unsolved. Page number 42, question number 2, students. Unsolved ones, okay? Now listen carefully, students. An edge of a cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. यानी ये cube मैंने दिया है. Go on your simple geometry part of it. A cube means all sides are equal. Length is this. अगर तुम्हारा length बढ़ रहा है at a certain rate. At what rate? यानी dl by dt. Look at the unit, students. Centimeter per second. So the length is increasing with respect to time. शायद तुम heat कर रहे इसको भाई. On heating, of course, substances expand. तो कितने टाइम में वो एक्सपांशन हो गया? तो तुम्हें दिखाई दे रहा है 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड हो गया. So the length is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. पूछा गया है how fast is the volume of the cube increasing? How fast? The word fast stands for with respect to time. B is volume. Of course, जब लेंथ बढ़ेगा क्यूब का तो वॉल्यूम भी बढ़ जाएगा. कितने टाइम में ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है? Given to you that the length, the edge of the cube is 10 centimeter. Now, you got that? Since it's a cube, can you tell me, students, what's the formula for volume of cube?
L cube.
It's L cube be considered. Now, when you carefully look into it, तुम्हें चाहिए dv by dt. दिया है dl by dt. तो तुरंत students बोलेंगे sir, I have to differentiate volume with respect to time. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यानी dv by dt is equal to differentiating L cube by dt. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is differentiating of x raised to n? What's the formula?
N x raised to n minus 1.
N, what exactly will be?
X.
L square.
X raised
L
to
square.
n minus 1 into what? dl by dt. Am I using chain rule?
Yes, sir.
Am I using chain rule, students? Of course, I'm trying to use a chain rule. dl cube by dt, अगर कोई अपन dt चाहिए तो multiply by what? Multiply by dx and dx, dl by dl. You can get your answer accordingly. So तुम्हें क्या मिला? dl by dt. That's what is given to me. Now see, solve it. 3 L square dl by dt, and that is dv by dt. पूछा क्या है? So dv by dt पूछा है. 3, how much is L given to me? L is given to us 10. So
10.
can I say this is 10 square into how much is dl by dt?
3.
3.
So what's my answer? 900
900
centimeter
centimeter cube per second.
So centimeter cube per second. How many of you had tried out and got this answer, students? Please raise your hands, those who have got it, those who have got the answer. I just want to see how many students have got it by themselves. Very good. Soumya, Anna, Sanchana, Swani, Vidya also has got it. This is all girls are only scoring in this particular batch. What about my boys? Boys, what are you doing? क्या हो क्या रहा है? लड़कों, प्रांशु क्या कर रहा है? हाँ? श्रेयाश, उदित, आज वो नहीं है. Who's that guy who used to question most of the times?
South.
South. Yes, Parthi. Okay, Parthi doesn't matter. Parthi, लेकिन अभी समझ में आया Parthi?
Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Okay, अभी third वाला करो. Third वाला, please, those who haven't got it, please right now do the third one, which I told you all. And those who have done the third one, do the fourth one. Chalo, fourth one एक challenge है. Solve the fourth one. Use your proper way of approach towards for the fourth one. A very good student and very smart. And fourth one is actually for mains and advanced level. Huh? Let's see how many people can do the fourth one. Those who have done the third one, go for the fourth one. Those who haven't done the third one, first do the third one. Oh, Parthi, you got it? Third one?
No, sir. 1 second.
Arthur, I'm waiting for you. The time when you answer, you will be the solution.
No, sir, I didn't got the correct answer.
क्या यार पार्थवी यार, ऐसे क्या कर रही है तू? What are you doing, my dear? चल अभी आंसर तू ही आंसर दे पार्थवी. Okay, पार्थवी, you go on responding. Okay, शायद तूने इसीलिए एरर किया होगा. Okay, a balloon which always remains spherical, यानी एक बलून है जो हमेशा spherical shape में होता है. Wow, is that clear? वो हमेशा spherical ही रहता है. Okay, on inflation. Inflation का मतलब तुम हवा भरते हो अंदर, उस टाइम पे उसको inflation बोलते हैं. हवा निकालना है तो deflated. Inflation है तो तुम साइज बढ़ रहा है उसका. Is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. तो मुझे ये बताओ, ये 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second दिया क्या है? Don't prompt her. Please don't prompt her. Don't prompt her. Yes, Parthi. 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second दिया क्या है? Parthi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir,
बोलो.
it means that its radius is increasing. Or
सीधा यूनिट में आइडिया, तो यूनिट के ऊपर क्यों कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रही है? क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर क्या होगा? रेडियस होगा.
sorry,
सेंटीमीटर
volume.
एक पंच देना चाहिए मुंह पे. मैंने बोला ना, कभी कभार तुम जब भी स्टेटमेंट्स को रीड आउट नहीं कर सकते तो यूनिट के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो ना. ये पहले क्वेश्चन में भी मैंने बताया था, फिर फर्स्ट वाला यहाँ पे किया तभी भी मैंने बताया. लुक एट द यूनिट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. तो ये क्या होगा? 900 cubic centimeter. ये जो 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड यानी दिया क्या है? सर, इट्स अ रेट ऑफ वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज. रेट ऑफ वॉल्यूम है. वी का मतलब वॉल्यूम है. समझ में आया पार्थवी? पूछा
Yes,
क्या है?
sir.
फाइंड द रेट एट व्हिच रेडियस ऑफ द बलून इंक्रीजेस. यानी क्या पूछा है?
Radius.
हाँ, रेडियस आर पूछा है या फाइंड द रेट एट व्हिच? रेट का मतलब क्या हुआ?
dr, I mean differentiating r divided by differentiating time.
Yes, that means the radius is increasing with respect to time. So dr by dt. Okay. Parthiv, can you tell me define acceleration? Rate of change of velocity. Students, chalo. Wait a minute. I'm going somewhere. Listen carefully, students. Absolutely correct. Yeah. I suppose मैंने पूछा x is a displacement of a particle. Everybody listen carefully, students. A particle is moving along a straight path. A car is moving along a straight path. X is the displacement is in meter. Now, students, please everybody be with me क्योंकि ये मैं इसको coordinate कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. Anybody can tell me, suppose अगर मैंने पूछा differentiate displacement. Listen carefully. Differentiate displacement with respect to time. तो students मुझे क्या मिलेगा? बताओ.
Instantaneous velocity.
Very good. See, so fast we consider. यानी velocity मिलेगा. Velocity instantaneous यानी क्या होगा? Differentiating यानी dx by dt होगा. इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? सर, मीटर पर सेकेंड होगा. समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? देखो, डिफरेंशिएटिंग डिस्प्लेसमेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. अभी सपोज मैंने पूछा स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंशिएट. एवरीबॉडी बी विथ मी. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये बहुत, ये फिजिक्स के हिसाब से जा रहा हूं मैं. ये बहुत आगे जाके यूज होगा. शायद इसके क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते तुम्हारे एग्जाम्स में. अभी तक वेलोसिटी मिला. नाउ सपोज मैंने पूछा स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंशिएट वेलोसिटी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे?
Acceleration.
इंस्टेंटेनियस एक्सेलरेशन. तो इसको कैसे लिखोगे? ध्यान से देखना. सर, आपने बोला डिफरेंशिएट वेलोसिटी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम यानी एक्सेलरेशन. आपने बोला डिफरेंशिएट वेलोसिटी. प्लीज लुक एट माय पेन. सर, dv by dt. तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग, ध्यान से देखना, अपॉन dt. व्हाट इज v? dx by dt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir.
अभी इनको मल्टीप्लाई करो. What is d into dx? What is d into dx? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is dt into dt?
dt the whole.
dt square.
dt the whole square, that is dt square. यानी now if somebody asks you, ध्यान से सुना, यही क्वेश्चन मैं चेंज करता हूं. If x is the displacement in meter, find d square x by dt square. तो क्या तुम कंफ्यूज हो गए अभी?
No, sir.
No, sir.
अभी देखो, मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया. If x is in meter, find d square x by dt square. So what is d square x by dt square is?
Acceleration.
And this answer will be beta second square inverse. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
I'm getting it. I'm keeping this as it is. Is that clear? Okay. First I'll solve this. Then I'll go back to this, and then we'll go for the fourth. Okay. Then we'll go for the fourth. Okay. We'll answer this now. अभी देखो ये वाला था. So Parthy, back to you. dr by dt. Sphere दिया है. Can you tell me, Parthy, what is the volume of sphere?
4/3 pi r cube.
Okay. 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 पे क्या? 4/3 pi क्या है? Is it a constant?
It's constant, so it will be removed out.
It will be removed out. क्या बात है, इसको धक्का मार के बाहर निकाल दिया. 4/3 pi. Now differentiating r cube by dt. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now बताओ 4/3 pi. Differentiate r cube. तो क्या लिखोगे तुम?
3r square.
Very good. 3r square into what? भूल गए?
Okay.
Into dr by dt भी आएगा.
Yes, sir.
और you can use chain rules directly. उसकी वजह से आ रहा है. ये सबको क्लिक होना जरूरी है. प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस पार्ट. Don't forget this part. Many students forget this part in the problem, and then they do only this much, and they come back home happily and they say, "Mama, I'm going to get good marks." When the marks comes, it's less, or with negative marking. Okay, and this is dv by dt. Now, what is given to you? dv by dt कितना दिया? 900 दिया. Into 3 divided by 4 pi. Sorry, sorry, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Very sorry. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 4 pi नीचे आ गया. Agreed, is equal to r square into dr by dt. क्या पूछा तुम्हें? dr by dt तो कहना है dr by dt as a subject. Yes, is equal to 900 upon 4 pi into r square. नीचे ले लेता हूँ मैं. How much is r given to me? Is the radius given to you?
Yes, sir. It's 15 centimeter.
I didn't see it. Radius, yes, radius is given to students 15 centimeter. तो नीचे 15 आ जाएगा तो कहना 15 square will be 225. 225, how many are? 4 is 900. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. What's my answer?
1 by pi.
And the unit will be centimeter second inverse. Equidistance upon time. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
All of y'all.
Yes, sir.
All of y'all. Please, all the students who are within the lectures, all the students who are within the lectures, all 26 students who are within the lectures, are you all getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Yana, did you get it, Yana?
Yes.
Okay. Vidipal, Udit, Tisha, Tanishta, Swati, Sparsh, Sona, Sneha, Shreya, Soumya, Sara, Priyanka, Pranshul. So these are the ones who are not answering. That's the reason, because I need to ask them. Okay, I'm going to erase this one. Once again, I'll speak about this. Hey, Parthiv, what are you doing?
Sorry, sir. Actually, no, sir. Actually, my friend told that she got the fourth answer. Did you got it? So
Okay.
sorry.
Who's
Sorry.
your friend? Who's your friend?
Naina.
Okay. नैना आंसर तो देती नहीं यार. अभी नैना ही सॉल्व करेगी. Very good. Parthiv, you are very smart. Okay. ऐसा पकड़ सबको. Okay. ऐसा सबको पकड़ के बिंदास डिस्क्लोज कर दे.
I'm sorry, sir.
That doesn't matter. It's good. It's good. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. So now the fourth question will be solved none other than by Miss Naina. Okay. Let's go for this part first. Okay. Please, students. Okay. Very smart. Okay, it happens. Okay, now listen students carefully. X is in meter, differentiating x with respect to time, so velocity मिलेगा. Agreed? So dx by dt मिला, meter second inverse. Differentiate velocity with respect to time, तो मुझे acceleration मिलेगा. So that is d square x by dt square. Now suppose अगर मैं तुम्हें एक question देता हूँ, ध्यान से सुनना students, इसी के ऊपर, okay? Question is, s is given by 2t cube minus 3t square minus 5 in meter. Find acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. A particle is having a displacement of 2t cube minus 3t square minus 5 in meter. Now this is physics. Hello students, ये physics में है. ये physics है. अभी तक जो भी तुम लोग कर रहे थे वो maths कर रहे थे. ये physics है अभी. Now can you solve it? Find acceleration of the particle at time t equal to 2 seconds. Solve this. All of you all please try to crack this. The concept is in front of you. It's in front of you. Are you getting it? I want to get acceleration. You're going to use displacement. I'm giving you a minute to solve it. More than enough. 1 minute is more than enough to crack this. Sneha has got the answer. Very good, Sneha. Those students who have got the answer, do raise your hands, students, please. Those who have got solved it and would have got the answer, raise your hands. I want to check on. Okay, Chinani, she has got it. Sneha, she has got it. Come on, Naina. Waiting for you. The next question is you. Okay, she got it. तो आंसर क्यों नहीं देते हो नैना? अभी नैना को पकड़ते रहूंगा मैं हमेशा. Okay, Sanjana getting it. Suhan is also getting it. Chanan is also getting it. Very good. Tanisha also got it. Very good, Tanisha. Come on, the rest of them, rest of them, rest of them. Aditi also getting it. Good. Khyati also getting it. What about Ada, Aisha? Ada. Okay. Chinani, can you answer for this?
So the fourth one, right?
This one. ये नहीं किया तुमने?
Sir, I did the fourth one का answer. I didn't do that.
Very naughty, very. अच्छा ना ये करना भी मुझे. अब मेरे सामने कर चल. ये displacement दिया है. तो मुझे बता अगर तू इसको differentiate करेगी जानी तो what exactly answer you get it? If you differentiate this, what exactly you're going to get it? Differentiating displacement with respect to time. So which physical quantity will you get it? Differentiating displacement with respect to time. Yani meter per second. Meter per second is which physical quantity?
Yes, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, sir, 2 minutes. Sir, is it
Differentiating velocity with respect to time.
sir, is the answer 8 seconds?
No, but still, can you tell me what is displacement upon time? Rate at which displacement takes place. ये क्या है? देखना यूनिट देखना मीटर है. मीटर पर सेकंड क्या होगा जानी? वेलोसिटी.
Velocity, sorry.
सोच रही है. यानी अगर मेरे को डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिया है, अगर कोई गाड़ी जा रही है सीधी तो उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैंने दिया है, which is a function of time we consider. I getting it? Displacement is changing with respect to time. तो displacement upon time मुझे velocity मिला. तो अभी differentiate करो इसको. तो differentiate 2t cube minus 3t square minus 5 by dt. So what is the answer for velocity? Can you differentiate this now, Janani? What is differentiating 2t cube? So 2 constant. Differentiating t cube यानी क्या होगा? 3t raised to 3 minus 1
Okay.
minus 3 is a constant. Differentiating t square, students. Differentiating t square क्या होगा?
T.
2 into t raised to 1. Last term is a constant. Constant term will be 0.
Easy.
क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? और ये आंसर किसमें मिलेगा? मुझे मीटर पर सेकंड में मिलेगा. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैंने वही किया. मैंने डिफरेंशिएट x करोगे तो तुम्हें b मिलेगा. अभी डिफरेंशिएट b करोगे तो तुम्हें a मिलेगा. तो अभी देखो b का इक्वेशन क्या मिला? सर b का इक्वेशन आपको मिला 3 to the 60 square minus 60 मिला.
Speed.
Now can I get acceleration? Yes. Acceleration is what? Rate of change of velocity. Yani differentiate velocity with respect to time. That means can I say? It is second. Please pay attention. It is second order derivative. Second order derivative. Kiska? Of displacement with respect to time. देखो एक्सेलरेशन को मैंने यहाँ पे कैसे लिखा? d square x by dt square, क्योंकि x डिस्प्लेसमेंट था. यहाँ पे मेरा s डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, तो एक्सेलरेशन को कहते हैं ना d square s by dt square. यस. और dv by dt.
Yes.
अभी वापस इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो. क्या मिलेगा एक्सेलरेशन? डिफरेंशिएट 60 square students.
20.
What
12t.
is differentiating 60 square by dt? Can I say
20.
6 is a constant? 2 will be outside. T raised to 2 minus 1 into dt by dt will get cancelled. So what's my answer?
12t.
12t. Minus 60.
6.
Minus 6.
So differentiating 60 by dt is 6 constant.
Yes, sir.
So can I remove outside और minus sign है? ये आंसर किसमें होगा? मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर में होगा.
Meter per second square.
पूछा क्या मैंने? पूछा एक्सेलरेशन कितने टाइम में? At the end of how much seconds?
2 seconds.
So can I put time as 2 seconds?
Yes, sir.
So 12 twos are 24.
24 minus
24 minus 6 कितना होगा?
18.
Meter second square. Is this clear with everybody? Students, is this clear with everyone?
Yes,
sir.
All the students who are within the lectures. All the students who are within the lectures. There are 26 is a strength. Okay, please, all of you all. What about Ada, Aisha, Gauri, Janani? Now you are clear with this. Janani, now you are clear with this.
Yes, sir.
Meera, Parthui, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Soumya is putting a thumbs up. Okay, fine. Shoana, is it clear? Tisha is also getting it.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Can I erase this now? Can I erase this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can anybody give an answer for the fourth one now?
Sir, can
8 by 3.
8 by 2.
Okay. Answers Sneha. Who raises hand first? Let me see. Who wants to answer? Okay, Naina. Acha, Naina. Yeah, I asked Naina. Bolo Naina. Yes, answer. Bolo Naina.
Sir, there, according to the question, there is a ladder which is leaning on the wall. So I will consider let ym. I have considered that ym as the height of the wall at which the ladder touches. So and also the foot of the ladder, the distance of the foot, like ladder from the foot is xn away from the wall.
Okay.
So now there, by Pythagoras theorem, we have x square plus y square equals to 25.
Okay.
Where the length of the ladder is 5 meters.
Okay.
So now y is equal to root under 25 minus x square. Then there is a change of height rate of change of height, then I have considered it y.
Hmm.
With respect to time, I have considered it t.
Okay.
So y dy upon dt is equal to minus x upon the value of Pythagoras, that is root under 25 minus x squared
Okay.
into dx upon dt.
Absolutely correct.
And now it is given that dx upon dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second.
How much is given? Dx by dt is how much given to you? 2 centimeter per
2
second.
centimeter per second.
Absolutely correct.
So now therefore we know that dy is equal to dt is minus, we'll put the value minus 2x upon 25 minus square under root. So now when x, we know what is x, the value of x is given 4 meters. So now we'll put the value of 4 in x square का value, जो हमारे पास 25 minus x square है, वहाँ पे हम 4 square डालेंगे. So our value will be minus 8 upon root 9. So now it is given that the तो root 9 का value निकालेंगे तो
पार
minus
पे
8 upon 3
एक
आएगा.
सेलेटिव लगा देना, पार पे एक सेलेटिव लगा देना, उसके बाद पे put a selective around it. Okay. Now, students, what she said is absolutely correct. She's going on the right track in that case. Let us understand it. It is a question based on what, please pay attention. Those students who are not able to get it or were not able to think correctly, please, for them I'm telling it. ये लैडर रखा हुआ है, वॉल के ऊपर रेस्ट कर रहा है. अभी उन्होंने बोला कि ये जो लैडर पॉइंट सी पे कांटेक्ट में है, वो पीछे पीछे जा रहा है, तो उसका जो स्पीड है वो 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड है. तो अगर ये पॉइंट है जहाँ पे कांटेक्ट में था, अगर वो चेंज होता है, that means if point C reaches to C dash in 2 centimeters per second, then A will reach to A dash. So can I say there is a change in height also with respect to time? Pucha, at what rate the position of A changes with respect to time? Position of C changing with respect to time is given to us 2 centimeters per second. Now, when you carefully look into the diagram, your entire diagram speaks about, yes, ladder is 5, this is H, and this is X. So the first thing which comes into your head will be, sir, can I go for H square plus X square is equal to 25 theorem of Pythagoras? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Common student होगा, तुम्हें सबसे पहले ये आएगा. दूसरी बात, see, I'm speaking about those students who are just in the thought process and who are just trying to figure out the question and to solve it. तुरंत तुम्हारा दिमाग होगा dH by dt. dx by तो तुरंत वो सोचेंगे अरे यार एक्सप्रेशन तो ये आ गया, क्या मैं इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दूं, तो इसको मैं डिफरेंशिएट कर दूं तो मुझे पता मेरा dh by dt मिल जाएगा. लेट अस ट्राई आउट क्या हो रहा है. तो इसको डिफरेंशिएट करोगे, तो डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा विद रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट टाइम. सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ द साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. तो देखो ध्यान से देखना, डिफरेंशिएटिंग h square plus x square with respect to by dt, डिफरेंशिएटिंग 25 by dt. बहुत ही इजी तरीके से. तो सेपरेट करो, ये u plus v मेथड आ गया तुम्हारा. तो क्या होगा, डिफरेंशिएटिंग h स्क्वायर क्या होगा, सर 2 into h
2h.
dh by dt. ये तो सबको आना चाहिए, ये सबको आना चाहिए. Don't consider this is a fourth problem, this is the basic problems of the exercise. Plus differentiating x square क्या होगा, 2 into x
2x.
dx by dt. Differentiating constant will be 0. क्या ये clear हुआ students, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Now they've given to you, when if you read it carefully, what exactly the distance at which is what, the distance of the end point from the floor is how much, x कितना दिया है. They've clearly given to x is given in 4. Is it given in meter or centimeter, students?
So meter.
Yes, it's 4 meter दिया है. अरे देखो ये मीटर में दिया है. Please students, try to understand this. X is given to us 4 meter we consider. So if x is given to us 4 meter, answer सुनना. What is height by Pythagoras?
3.
3 meter.
4 square 16, 25 minus 16 कितना होगा 9. So root of 9 is 3. यानी if x is equal to 4 meter, then h is equal to 3 meter. आ गया. अरे हाँ सर, x आपको मालूम है, h आपको मालूम है, dx by dt आपको मालूम है, पूछा है ये. अरे सर ये तो इक्वेशन हो गया, सारे वेरिएबल्स में से एक अननोन, बाकी सारे सब कुछ मालूम है. सर अभी तो सिंपल हो गया. हाँ, लेकिन ये ध्यान में रखना कि तुम्हारा यूनिट्स हैज टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. तो ये देखो ट्वाइस h कितना दिया 3, में फाइंड आउट करना है dh by dt प्लस ट्वाइस इनटू x कितना है 4. ये क्या है, dh by dt is how much, 2 centimeter per second. Can I convert to meter per second?
Yes, sir.
Into 10 raised to minus 2. So can I say this is 0.02 is equal to 0. Is this clear with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now solving it, can I say this becomes 6? times dh by dt will be, इसको यहाँ पे ले लो तो माइनस में आएगा, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, so can I say 0.16. Now what is dh by dt? Minus 0.16 divided by 6, ये आंसर होगा मीटर पर सेकेंड. Cancelling further, 2 3s are 8s are. So what is my answer of dh by dt, students? dh by dt, my answer is minus 0.08 meter per second. Which can I say? dh by dt is minus 8
8
centimeters per second. And students, my answer will be negative. जो स्टूडेंट्स ने क्लियरली सॉल्व करेगा उसको नेगेटिव मिलेगा. नेगेटिव का मतलब क्या हो रहा है? नेगेटिव का मतलब क्या हो रहा है सर? जब सी आगे जा
It's
रहा है,
moving downward.
एच नीचे आ रहा है, यानी इसका मतलब कि देयर इज अ फॉल, द हाइट इज डिक्रीजिंग. नेगेटिव साइन शोस इट्स डिक्रीजिंग एट द रेट ऑफ 8 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. यानी तुम्हें शायद ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन कोई दे देता है, ऑप्शन ए 8 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड, ऑप्शन बी माइनस 8 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. So which one is the correct one?
-8.
Yeah.
Sir,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
sir, it would be minus 8 by 3, no?
Oh, sorry. Yes. Very sorry. 8 by 2. Minus 8 by 2.
So actually, I solved it by using the formula of tan theta and then differentiating in both sides.
That is also fine. Absolutely correct. Tan theta opposite upon adjacent. Very good.
Sir, but in that case, I'm not getting negative sign. I'm
But
getting
you
negative 8 by
नहीं,
3.
अगर तुम tan theta लेते हो तो तुम्हारा ये एंगल तुम चेंज नहीं करो, तुम उसको कांस्टेंट मत रखना. You have to differentiate in tan theta.
Okay,
In
sir.
terms of 6 by theta in that case. और फिर तुम्हारा जो होगा एंगल चेंज होगा, फिर sec theta को लगोगे. What is actually consider? Tan तो sec will be adjacent upon hypotenuse upon adjacent. 5 by ये आएगा तुम्हारा, फिर substitution होगा. But why are you going for that? This is simpler and faster way of getting it.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase this, students?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, actually in the module, a concept about the local maxima and local minima was also given.
My dear, I haven't done that. I'll do it, my dear. I have to do integration and local maximum and local minimum that I'm going to pick up in the next lecture. Don't worry about that. Okay?
So, sir, for tomorrow's test, integration would not be coming, right?
I'm not able to hear you. Can you be loud and clear? Can you be loud and clear?
Yes, sir. So, for tomorrow's test, only differentiation is coming, right?
Yeah, mostly it'll be differentiation. I'll speak to Gyanendra sir also about it. Okay? Can I erase this, students? और जो कुछ भी मैंने आगे सिखाया है, logs का part, trigo का part, equation of straight line, y is equal to mx plus c, m is the slope of the graph, positive slope का मतलब क्या, negative slope का मतलब क्या? Are you getting it? As if I gave you an equation of to get the graph of degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, how to go about with the slope also. So all these things I've told you very clearly. Can be based on to that also. Can I erase this part?
Yes, sir.
How many marks test is this, students?
720.
720. So in suppose if in case if I ask you this, y is equal to x squared sin x. Differentiate y with respect to x. What will be the answer? Fast.
Sir, x square cos x plus 2x.
Sir, x square cos x plus 2x sin x.
What you said it?
The x square
Square
cos x plus 2x sin x.
Absolutely correct. In that case, the answer for this will be, students, x square cos x plus
2x sin x.
2x sin x.
very good, very good. 2x sin x. That means you have to simply go for which method? Which method you're using, students, over here?
Product.
UV method.
Product rule, UV method. Okay. Next question, students. If y is equal to sine of x square plus 3, differentiate dy by dx.
So cos of x square plus 3 into 2x.
X plus 3 into. Think also this is sine theta. X square plus
So
3x is theta
cos x square plus 3 into 2x.
into 2x. Absolutely correct. ये देखो बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स इसको क्लिक करेंगे. Differentiating sin x square plus 3, तो ये समझो ना, differentiating sin theta by dx. What is differentiating sin theta, students? It's an angle. ये angle है, students. ये पूरा एक angle है. What is differentiating sin theta, students? तो तुम क्या बोलोगे cos theta? ये तो पता चला सबको?
Yes, sir. Into d theta by dx.
Yes, ये मत भूलना, अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ, ये मत भूलना. तो now if I consider differentiating this, what is differentiating sin? तो सर ये होगा cos x square plus 3. Now differentiating x square plus 3 by dx. So solving it, what exactly will be? Sir, cos x square plus 3. What is differentiating x square? 2x.
2x.
Differentiating 3 is a constant, that will be 0. Agreed? So what's my answer? 2x cos of x square plus 3. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in exercise 3rd, you also give to solve the 8th and 9th question. Can you solve?
Oh, did you get that? Did you get that?
No, sir.
अभी मिलना चाहिए ना, संजय, अभी मिलना चाहिए ना. देखे ना, please. I'm speaking about 8th and 9th. The students, यहाँ पे 8 कर रहा हूँ मैं. Given s is equal to s0 plus v0t plus half gt square. अभी ध्यान से देखना. Okay, where s0, v0 and g are constant. Clearly बोला है constant. Differentiate ds by dt. Differentiating ds by dt. Can I differentiate s0?
So
No,
this is not the
it's a
question.
constant. Which one?
The exercise 3rd, 8th question.
This third. My dear, I didn't give you that. I gave you this part of it. Fourth का पीछे वाला. 8th and 9th. I didn't give you the square piece of 10 in that case. I didn't give you about that. Okay, I give you this part of it. I'm speaking about your fourth part of it. We consider exercise fourth. We consider 8th and 9th. Okay, now suppose if I say constant, can I differentiate this, students? No, so ये 0 हो जाएगा. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then further, if I happen to consider in this case differentiating this, तो क्या हो जाएगा? So v0 is a constant, तो v0 बाहर आ जाएगा. dt upon dt will be 1. Plus इसको differentiate करो, तो सर half बाहर आ जाएगा. g constant होएगा. What is differentiating t square?
2t.
2t.
2t. 2 and 2 will get. So what's my answer?
GT.
This is, I'm speaking about your chapter calculus we consider. Okay, the last question 8th and 9th. Second last question is this. The last question is 9th one. The motion of a particle in a straight line is defined by, now see the question which I asked you, x is equal to t raised to 4 minus 12t square minus 40, where x is the distance in meter and time is in seconds, students. Determine the position x, v and acceleration of particle at t equal to 2 seconds. Find out x, find out v, and find out a at t equal to 2 seconds. Constants. Just solve this last 2 minutes. Solve this part. Can you find out x? Yes.
Minus 72 meter.
Yes. Put t as 2 seconds. So can I put this 2 raised to 4? Minus 12, 2 square. And this will be minus 40. What's the answer for this?
Minus 72.
Minus 72 meter.
Okay. Then if I happen to go for v, so differentiate.
TS by 2.
तो इसको differentiate करो तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4
4t cube.
t cube dt by dt will get cancel. Minus 12 differentiating t square क्या होगा?
2t.
Minus
2t.
24.
Minus, so that will be minus 12 and 2t होगा. Differentiating 40 will be
0.
0.
वो नहीं होगा. तो now can I say this is 4t cube minus 24t. Can I find out velocity at time t
Minus
equal to 2
16 meter
seconds?
per second.
Yes, so substitute करो. 4 into 2 cube minus 24 into 2. देखो टाइम को मैंने 2 seconds डाल दिया. ये 2 seconds है students. So 2 cube is 8. 8 4s are 32. Minus how much?
Minus
So can I get
16.
that? Yes, that many seconds I'll get it. Sorry, that many meter per second I'm getting it. Now, can I find an acceleration, students? How to find an acceleration? Differentiate velocity. That is second order derivative of displacement with respect to time. इसको differentiate करो, यानी ये part को differentiate करना है, students. तो क्या होगा?
12t square minus 12.
4 3s are 12t square. Minus differentiating 24t will be only minus 24. Constant होगा, dt by dt will get cancelled. क्या ये clear हो रहा है, students? Now I'm doing basic formulas. I'm using it to get the answer. Now put t as how much? 2 seconds. T कितना होगा? So
24 meter per second.
yes, answer will be 24. 48 minus 1, so 24 meter per second. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please do revise your formulas properly, thoroughly in that case. Try to go for your log part also properly in that case. Try to go for your, what do you call, trigo part का formulas also very properly in that case. Try to go for equation of straight line y is equal to mx plus e. कोई भी equation दिया हो उसका straight line graph y is equal to mx plus e है, m slope होगा. जो x के साथ में m आता है वो slope होता है, and c is the y intercept. Okay, some basic things which I have given it to you earlier that you take care of it. Loudness को ऊपर मैंने log के हिसाब से मैंने questions दिए थे, so please try to remember that part also. Okay. Chalo, we'll wind up the sessions. Next lecture will be continuing further with your integration and your maximum and minimum part of it. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.